Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a shout outs video. I want to thank you guys for watching a lot of my videos. I kind of know who are my loyal subscribers. I kind of know my people, my seasonals. I know the ones that come in ever so often. So with this last vlog that I had, it's not even a vlog, it was just a New Year's thingamajig. I'm going to do a very short shout out to a couple of people there. It's a couple of new ones, new faces here as well. But I'll definitely start with some of my OGs. This is just the last video that I had uploaded that I'm looking at. I normally do my shout outs every quarter, just like my empties and something else. I think it's just those two for now that I could remember. But Miss Catalina. And then I have Alex the Blue Man. And then I had Fabs, I'm sorry. 50 plus. Raina from Hawaii, I love her. I got some new people. Here's Glow with Nikki, she's not new. My YT BFF, Life with Mickey, but that's D to me. And then I have Diamond 76, Home Decor on a Budget. She's right there. She's one of the top dogs. One of the best. And then I have Tashiana. You know, I'm really bad with names, by the way, just in case. Madame Tour. Nicole Rodriguez. Oleta Young returned. A lot of people. Lillian Dare. Mo Mary. The Real Kim Kalor. Effing Your Beauty Standards 30. Some of these are very new people. Slim Shelly and Miss Angelia Love. These are just a couple of people that I would like to say thank you to and appreciate for commenting at all times. I'm just gonna check the second to the last video, and here we go again. Grow with Nikki, Edna's World, Glam Right, Renea Lifestyle Beauty, Colorful, Dorothy Beauty, and Noble Strength. I knew Noble Strength for a long time. I was always watching her do these amazing thrift. And she does a lot of the word of the Lord as well, which I love. Colorful Mind, Slim Shelly again, PJ Danita, I want to say, but again, I'm really bad with names. And Bobby Cat's Kitten. And then I'm going to do this very last, this fourth one. This was Christmas Day. Alright, Christmas Day, I had Vicky J, Diamond 76, Home Decor on a Budget, which is Pam. She's awesome. Pam, if you're watching this video, send me your address. And 50 plus. And that's it, you guys. I just wanted to do a really quick shout out to my awesome people that I always see every time I upload a video. They mean so much to me. And I hope you guys want to have a wonderful end of January, beginning of February, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.